Hey there, Mrs. Gleason here, and I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. Since a lot of us are going to be utilizing YouTube a little more during this remote learning, we figured this would be a good thing to share with you. So when you are logged into your Bonnie Eagle email account, and then if you go to the 3x3 array and scroll down and click YouTube, you'll see that you already have a YouTube account. You'll be automatically signed in, your picture should be up here, or your letter symbol if you didn't add a picture. Right here is where you upload a video. So you click the video button, plus button, and click upload video. Right here is where you can drag a video. So if you have a video that you can put in, and let's see if I have one. And you drag it over, set it right in there, and you'll see it looks almost like it's raining right here, and then it'll show up. You want to give it a title. And then you want to type in a description here. And you will notice as you scroll down, you have a few things to check off. I usually add mine to a playlist. I'm in a different account right now, so this is the one I normally use. But you can pick a playlist. So if you don't have a playlist, you could click New Playlist. And then click Create, and it would go into the Dragon Stories one instead of the favorites, and then click Done. Now with the new YouTube, and since you're not familiar with the old one, you wouldn't know this, but they now have this choice of where you can choose to say yes, it's made for kids, or no, it's not. So since we're in education, we would definitely want to say yes, it's made for kids, because pretty much any content that you're going to be making is for your students. And then you need to wait until it uploads. You can see the progress right down here. 7% uploaded. It's going to be a while. 25 minutes left. Once you have done that, for the sake of time, I'm going to not wait the 25 minutes. You're going to have some thumbnails that will pop up here. Once the thumbnail pops up, you want to choose one of those. If you don't like the automatic choices that YouTube gives you, you can upload your own JPEG and put it here, or your PNG and put it here for the thumbnail. And that's what people will see as the main picture of when they go to your YouTube channel. That's what they're going to see before they click play. Once you've chosen that, and I'm going to just click next, so pretend I've chosen one, click next. Your video elements, there's really not much that I do here. I click next again, and then right here is where you choose where do you want it to be. Public means anyone can find it. Unlisted means that anyone can watch it that have the link, so if you send the link to your students. But if they lose the link and then they go to your channel, they're not going to find it. So I tend to just make mine all public, so that way it can always be found. If you're a little unsure of whether you want it to be found or not, choose unlisted. If you choose private, only people that you choose to see your video will see it. Again, I tend to make it public, and then you click publish when you're done. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you have any questions.